Now let us discuss examples on analytic function. First example is, if f of z is analytic, then show that dabba square by dabba x square plus dabba square by dabba y square of mod of f of z raised to n is equal to n square f of z raised to n by 2, n square mod of f of z raised to n by 2 into mod of f dash of z square. So to discuss this example, let us discuss the two things. Let us recall the two things. In fact, first is the property of complex number z, that if z is a complex number of the form x plus iy, then z bar will be its conjugate, that is of the form x minus iy. Then we have the property of this complex number and its conjugate, that z into z bar is equal to mod of z into z bar is mod of z square. This is the property of a complex number. And second important thing is that we have discussed about the operator, that if phi is harmonic function, then dabba square phi by dabba x square plus dabba square phi by dabba y square can be written as 4 times dabba square phi by dabba z bar. So these are the two important things we are going to discuss. This is one, and these are the two important things we are going to use to get this required result. So where this phi is a function of x and y. So here f of z is a complex valued function whose mod is a function of x and y only. So that will be of the form phi of xy. So this will treat as a phi. Okay. Now, so with the help of this property, z into z bar equal to mod of z square, I can write, therefore f of z and its, suppose if I take, because on the right hand side I have f of z in its derivative. So f of z into its conjugate, suppose if I take f of z bar, then that will be nothing but mod of f of z ka square, using this property. So here on the right, so on the left hand side, I am going to start with the left hand side first. So I can write for this mod of f of z raised to n, mod of f of z ka square, and that the whole raised to n by 2. So these two will get cancelled by laws of indices, and I'll get only n. So for this mod of f of z square, I am going to substitute this. So therefore, using this property, let us start with the left hand side. Therefore, I can write this, suppose this is left hand side, LHS is this. So therefore, I can write this is equal to dabba 4 times, using the second property 4 times. So that is dabba square phi by dabba x square plus dabba square phi by dabba y square is equal to 4 times dabba square phi by dabba z bar, where phi is mod of f of z raised to n. So that I can write as a 4 times dabba square by dabba z bar. This is nothing but using this mod of f of z square and raised to n by 2. So using this property, mod of f of z square is nothing but f of z into its conjugate. So therefore I'll get 4 times dabba square by dabba z bar of what? F of z into f of z bar raised to n by 2. Okay. So that is, if I split this power, so I'll get 4 times dabba square by dabba z bar f of z raised to n by 2, and f of z bar raised to n by 2. So therefore, let me split these two derivatives. Here we have the two derivatives with respect to z and with respect to z bar. So let me split these two derivatives over these two functions. So I'll get, therefore, which is equals to 4 times dabba by dabba z of its function f of z raised to n by 2 into dabba by dabba z bar of its function f of z bar and the whole raised to n by 2. So which equals to 4 times the derivative of this function is n by 2 f of z raised to n by 2 minus 1 into derivative of f of z is f dash of z into derivative of this now with respect to z bar, so which equals to 4 into n into derivative of this is n by 2 into f of z bar raised to n by 2 minus 1 into f dash of z bar. Okay. So which equals to 4 into n square, 2 into 2, 4 by 4 into I'll write these two like this, f dash of z into f dash of z bar in one bracket and then these two in one bracket. So I can write this as a into f of z into f of z bar the whole raised to n by 2 minus 1. But again using that property z into z bar is mod of z square, so that I'll get 4 will get cancelled, n square, this is mod of f dash of z square, this is dash of z square into here this is mod of f of z square and the whole raised to, if I cross multiply then n minus 2 upon 2, n minus 2 upon 2, so this 2 will get cancelled and I'll get n square, this is f of z square, mod of f of z raised to n by 2, mod of f of z raised to n minus 2 and into mod of f dash of z square. I think that is the right hand side of the required thing. Thank you.